Veracity is one of those projects that quietly keeps building in the background while the rest of the market is obsessed with hype coins and short-term pumps. It's the kind of project you look at twice, once because you're curious and the second time because something about it makes you think, wait, this actually has depth. As we move toward 2026, Veracity is slowly transforming from an overlooked token into what could become one of the smartest strategic plays in the next market cycle. What makes Veracity unique is that it wasn't created just to be a coin. It was designed to solve one of the biggest problems in digital advertising, fake views, and ad fraud. The proof-of-view technology they built is not just an idea on a white paper. It's already in use, it's already integrated with real publishers, and it's solving a real billion-dollar issue that companies struggle with every day. In a market full of tokens with no purpose, Veracity actually has something rare: real-world demand drivers. What's even more interesting is how much the project has grown in 2025, even when the overall market wasn't favorable. The expansion to the BNB Smart Chain was a major silent upgrade that many investors overlooked. This single move gives Veracity access to one of the biggest ecosystems in crypto, faster transactions, and a whole new stream of liquidity. Add that to the fiat off-ramp inside VeraWallet, something many small-cap projects can't even dream of, and you start to see a picture forming. This is a team slowly building a complete ecosystem piece by piece. But the most underrated catalyst is the UAE partnership, where Veracity helped launch the country's first ad exchange through VeraViews. That means real companies, real advertisers, government-level recognition, and institutional trust. And trust is exactly what fuels long-term value. Not hype, not speculation, but trust. If more companies adopt POV and VeraViews, the long-term demand for VRA could grow naturally because the token powers the ecosystem. This is how sustainable growth begins. Quietly, behind the scenes, and then suddenly all at once. Investors love to talk about utility, yet they chase coins with none. Veracity is one of the few tokens with utility built into its core. Not future promises, but actual product usage right now. And in 2026, as ad fraud continues to rise globally, the need for Veracity's technology will only grow. Of course, no investment is perfect, and Veracity does have challenges, especially with its token distribution. With only about 10% in circulation, many investors worry about future unlocks. That's a valid concern, but it's also something that Veracity's upcoming tokenomics update might directly address. If the team brings clarity, introduces burns, restructures supply, or incentivizes long-term holding, the narrative around VRA could flip almost instantly. Tokenomics updates have revived countless projects in past cycles, and Veracity could be next. From a price action standpoint, VRA looks beaten down right now. Oversold RSI, weak momentum, and a long downtrend. But the strongest rallies in crypto often start from ugly charts. Smart investors are the ones who spot value before the crowd wakes up. Veracity is in that phase right now. Overlooked, undervalued, and completely off the radar of most retail traders. That's where opportunity lives. What makes Veracity truly interesting as a 2026 investment is the timing. The market is still recovering, fear is still high, and altcoins are still suppressed. That's exactly when long-term plays are found. Price is low, sentiment is quiet, development is active. And catalysts like the tokenomics update, new partnerships, BNB chain integrations, VeraWallet improvements, and continued corporate adoption are still ahead, not behind. When you look at all of this together, Veracity starts to resemble the kind of project people look back on and say, I should have paid attention back then. It's not loud or flashy, but it's smart, strategic, and positioned to benefit from multiple industry trends. Blockchain verification, digital advertising, fraud prevention, and enterprise adoption. If the team continues on its current track, addresses token supply concerns, and capitalizes on growing partnerships, Veracity might not just recover. It could shock everyone in the next cycle. Not because of hype, but because it has the one thing most crypto projects lack: a real mission backed by real technology. Sometimes the smartest investments are the ones building quietly, waiting for the world to catch up. Veracity might just be one of those coins heading into 2026.
Programmatic advertising automates how brands reach their audience, placing ads where they'll have the most impact, efficiently and in real time. Every online ad you see is delivered by a seamless supply chain of actions. Programmatic advertising begins with brands that want to promote their products. By defining clear goals, whether it's reaching the right audience or boosting sales, they create targeted campaigns that are delivered across various online platforms. To meet their goals, Advertisers rely on demand-side platforms, or else known as DSPs. They help ensure ads are delivered to the right audience at the right time. DSPs automatically bid on ad spaces in real time, using data to place ads where they'll make the most impact, ensuring that the right message reaches the right audience. Once DSPs process the campaign details, they hand the data over to supply-side platforms, known as SSPs. These platforms connect advertisers with publishers whose audiences align with the campaign goals. Supply-side platforms, or SSPs, act like marketplace managers for publishers. They connect with multiple DSPs to ensure publishers get the best deals for their ad space. By working with a wide range of advertisers and DSPs, SSPs help publishers maximize ad revenue, managing their available spaces with precision and efficiency. After SSPs find the right publishers, the next step is bidding through an ad exchange, a digital marketplace where ad space is auctioned in real time. Both DSPs and SSPs participate, bidding on available inventory. The highest bid secures the ad space, ensuring the ad reaches its intended audience. With the highest bid secure, the ad space is officially sold. The winning bid, which is essentially an ad, is now ready to move to the publisher's platform and reach the right audience. As the ad continues the journey through the programmatic pipeline, traveling seamlessly from the ad exchange to the publisher's platform, where it will be displayed to the publisher's audience. Publishers are websites, apps, or digital platforms that offer ad space within their content to advertisers. The same ad space that DSPs and SSPs bid for. By displaying these ads, publishers generate revenue and monetize their traffic. For example, a media site can host video ads within its content, giving advertisers the chance to reach the right audience while the publisher earns revenue from that ad space. As the process completes, the ad reaches its intended audience, delivering content that grabs attention and encourages interaction. Seamlessly served within the publisher's content, the ad engages the viewer, leading them to take action, whether it's clicking, viewing, or making a purchase. As the journey comes full circle, the programmatic advertising ecosystem keeps working behind the scenes, learning and optimizing with every ad served. This continuous feedback loop enables advertisers to fine-tune their strategies and helps publishers maximize their revenue. It's a real-time cycle of improvement, ensuring each ad reaches the right audience at the right time in the right place. This is the power of programmatic advertising.